Spin it over again right away and see what we got for oil pressure. 40 pounds right away. Yeah, and then you can just turn it and let it sit there for a minute. Let it sit? Yep. Let it sit and see if we start getting oils up some other pressure off. We gotta make it dry. That guy's getting some. These guys are getting some. Let's turned over some more. This guy's getting some here. Right there. We can leave it for a minute. We're probably going to run out of battery on this thing. This guy's getting some here. He's getting some. You want to see if we got another battery?
Yeah.
Right over in the
corner.
Yep.
Was that a Milwaukee or what? No. What is that?
These ones here are Snap-on. Well, we had good oil pressure right away. At like 40 psi, so we'll keep turning it over and keep running the motor some more. You can see the oil's starting to get to the top of some of the rockers. So if we turn the motor over, it'll change positions there, so the oil can kind of keep going up to the top of the rockers and get everywhere. So then we'll do all that, and then we'll drain that tranny oil after we've cycled it a lot to try and clean things up. So we'll keep going from there.